What if the secret to greener leaves, stronger roots, and bigger blooms is hiding in your kitchen trash? Before you throw away another banana peel, you need to know this. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and other nutrients that many plants love. While banana peels aren't a complete fertilizer, they can be a useful addition to healthy soil when used correctly. In today's video, I'll show you 7 simple and effective ways to turn banana peels into an amazing natural fertilizer for your indoor plants and garden. These easy methods can help improve soil health, reduce waste, and support healthier plant growth. Stay until the end for a bonus tip that many gardeners overlook. Tip number 1. Make banana peel tea. One of the easiest ways to use banana peels is by making banana peel tea. Cut 1 or 2 fresh banana peels into small pieces and soak them in a jar of water for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, some nutrients dissolve into the water. After soaking, remove the peels and use the liquid to water your plants every 2 to 4 weeks. Banana peel tea provides small amounts of potassium and other minerals that can complement your regular fertilizing routine. Keep expectations realistic. It won't replace a balanced fertilizer, but it can be a helpful boost for many leafy houseplants and flowering plants. Tip number 2. Chop peels into the soil. Instead of tossing banana peels into the trash, cut them into tiny pieces and bury them 2 to 4 inches below the soil surface, away from direct contact with plant stems. As soil microbes break them down, they gradually return nutrients to the soil and contribute organic matter. Smaller pieces decompose much faster than whole peels. Avoid leaving banana peels exposed on top of the soil, because they can attract fruit flies and other pests. This simple composting method works especially well in outdoor gardens and large containers with active soil life. Tip number 3. Turn banana peels into compost. Composting is one of the best ways to get the full value from banana peels. Add chopped peels to your compost pile, together with dry leaves, cardboard, straw, and other brown materials. The peels add nitrogen-rich green material that helps microorganisms create nutrient-rich compost. After several months, you'll have dark, crumbly compost that improves soil structure, moisture retention, and nutrient availability. Finished compost benefits nearly every plant, from vegetables and flowers to indoor plants grown in containers. Tip number 4. Dry and grind banana peels. Another excellent method is making banana peel powder. Dry banana peels completely in the sun, a food dehydrator, or a low-temperature oven until they become crisp. Grind the dried peels into a fine powder using a blender or coffee grinder. Mix a small spoonful into potting soil or sprinkle it lightly around established plants before watering. Because the powder breaks down more quickly than whole peels, nutrients become available faster while reducing the chance of attracting insects. Tip number 5. Feed flowering plants. Banana peels contain potassium, an important nutrient that supports flowering and fruit development. Roses, hibiscus, orchids, tomatoes, peppers, and flowering annuals may benefit from having composted or powdered banana peels added to healthy soil as part of an overall fertilizing program. Remember that flowering plants also need nitrogen and phosphorus in the right balance. So banana peels should supplement, not replace, a complete fertilizer. Healthy soil, proper watering, and enough sunlight remain the biggest factors in producing abundant flowers. Tip number 6. Make a banana peel soil booster. Blend chopped banana peels with water to create a smooth mixture. Then, mix a small amount into your compost or garden soil. Avoid pouring thick banana mixtures directly into indoor pots, where they may decompose slowly and encourage mold or pests. Instead, use them outdoors or add them to compost where microorganisms can break them down efficiently. This helps recycle organic waste while gradually enriching the soil with valuable organic matter. Tip number 7. Combine banana peels with other natural fertilizers. Banana peels work even better when paired with other organic soil amendments. Mix finished banana peel compost with worm castings compost or well-aged composted manure to create a more balanced fertilizer. This combination supplies a wider range of nutrients than banana peels alone. Healthy plants require nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and many micronutrients. So, combining several natural sources creates richer soil that supports long-term growth, stronger roots, healthier foliage, and more vibrant blooms. Avoid common banana peel mistakes. Many gardeners believe simply placing whole banana peels on top of the soil is the best method. But this often attracts fungus gnats, fruit flies, mold, or curious pets. Always chop, compost, dry, or bury banana peels properly. Never overuse them, especially in small indoor pots, because too much decomposing organic material can create unpleasant odors and upset soil balance. Think of banana peels as a useful soil amendment rather than a miracle fertilizer. Combined with proper watering, bright light, healthy soil, and balanced feeding, they can become an excellent part of your plant care routine. Now you know why you should never throw away banana peels again. Instead of becoming kitchen waste, they can become a valuable resource for your plants when used the right way. Whether you choose banana peel tea, compost, powder, or soil amendments, these simple techniques help recycle waste while supporting healthier gardens. Have you ever tried using banana peels on your plants? Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more science-backed indoor gardening tips, natural fertilizers, and easy plant care hacks every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.